This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable read receipts on the Twitter app using an iOS device. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my iPhone open now and I'm logged into Twitter. To enable or disable read receipts on Twitter, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go up to the upper left hand corner and tap on your little profile icon. Then you want to go down toward the bottom and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then down towards the bottom you want to tap on Privacy and Safety. And then you'll go down toward the bottom and you'll tap on Direct Messages. Then you want to scroll down a little ways. And right here, Show Read Receipts. By default, it's probably toggled on as you see mine. But to toggle it off, you just tap on the toggle. Now read receipts are off. If I tap on it again, now read receipts are on. That is how to enable or disable read receipts on the Twitter app using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.